How much does it cost to build a custom application? The cost of resources, the cost of testing, the cost of building the application from scratch, and the cost of integrations. Or you can do the wise thing and start building your application on Microsoft PowerApps. We will show how businesses have reduced development costs and increased overall efficiency by Microsoft's Power ecosystem. Let us show you how easy it is to build a model-driven application on PowerApps. Here are 3 steps to success. Model business data, define processes, build the app. Today, we will be building an application which can be easily used by manufacturers to support hospitals during this pandemic. They can print 3D face masks, face shields, and medical devices. Let's start building the application. Here you can see that we have accounts, contacts, parts, and other relevant data which we can use to build 3D printer app. You can upload from SQL, SharePoint, but if you do not have access to it, then you can also upload Excel. The first thing we are going to dig in is entities, which are individual record types. And here you can see all the entities that we need in Common Data Model. You can add, delete, and modify fields. Here, you can add a grid and request information in the center of the form. Here is how you can drag it under the timeline, name the section to requests, and then we'll go down to the subgrid and add a subgrid. It is not live yet, so let's publish it. Let's see the output, how quickly we have made a form to capture hospital requests for the required medical supplies. So you will notice that the form fields are gone, and the request section, we can see many items required and the remainder count of what is left in the inventory. Here you can see that it is fully responsive and you can see information in different layouts. Now, time to fulfill hospital requests in our 3D Marketplace dashboard. You can fill up the details and save the request record. Go to parts, and here you can see the recent request made and it has gone to the vendor. You can see all the details associated with the request product and preview it. Now moving on to Flow, which is the workflow engine of the app. You can start the flow based on timings, triggers, or through webhooks. It is a full automation tool. Here you can see the trigger based when the request is made. Second step is listing all the contacts within the environment. Third step is to apply, each of which is going to loop through all of the contacts. And we're going to see if it's going to a certain type. On acceptance, email will be rolled out. You can also set up these emails and set up tags. Example, name in the subject line. So within a few minutes, I was able to create a flow, add automation to it, and our app is ready to serve the purpose. Via PowerApps portal, we are going to log in as Edward Norton, who works at the hospital. Here, you can also add the external sign-in providers like Facebook, Gmail, and all sorts of other providers. You can now see that the request we made today is there. You can review other requests, but cannot make changes to it. On the other hand, those manufacturers who also can contribute can go in there, see the requests made by the hospital, and fulfill it. With that, this completes the PowerApps Model-Driven Apps demo. I hope you liked the demo. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at marketing@alphabold.com or visit us on our website at www.alphabold.com.